Hello everybody, my name is Dan Scardino. I'm with MarineMax Naples down here in beautiful Tin City. Welcome aboard the 2019 Sea Ray Sundancer 320 Outboard. I'm going to go ahead and start in the back of the boat. First off, I'd like to notice the triple 250 Mercury Verado motors. We ran this boat out the other day. Plenty of power, it gets on plane quick. Very nimble boat. Very quiet motors and very impressive fuel burn at cruising speed. So perfect boat to have the triple 250s on. I also want you to notice on a 32-foot boat with the outboards, we still have plenty of storage for all your day stuff, lines, fenders, whatever you need to put in there, and still have plenty of walking space on the swim platform as well. As we walk into the cockpit, you notice that this boat has teak throughout, plenty of seating for all your family and friends. You've got your summer kitchen over here on the side with your electric grill, freshwater sink, as well as refrigeration. Got dedicated storage here for garbage, which is always nice and handy. Now you might wonder, you've got a lot of people on the boat, and some people say, oh man, we want the sun and the fun. That's fantastic. You keep the sure shade in, you open the canvas top here, plenty of sun. When they change their mind and they say, wow, it's too hot out here in the Naples sun, we want to get some shade and cool us off, you extend the sure shade out, close the canvas top, and this boat is equipped with air conditioning in the helm as well as the cockpit. So plenty of fun conditions for everybody. As we come into the helm, you notice the dual 12-inch Simrad screens, and the most beautiful thing about technology these days on boats, something that takes all the stress out of boating, is joystick technology. Come on down and talk to me about joystick, autopilot, as well as skyhook technology. With the portside walkthrough, we've got plenty of headroom downstairs in the cabin. You've got a big V-berth, convertible into a eating area with table, convertible twin bunks in the back, as well as a full walk-in wet head. So we've come through the portside walkthrough up into the bow. We've got this absolutely comfortable sun lounge up here, armrests. You've got radio and stereo controls over here, as well as cup holders, speakers, and then plenty of sun down here in Southwest Florida. So come see me again, MarineMax Naples, Dan Scardino, 239-860-8609. You're going to get an amazing customer experience. You'll really enjoy and appreciate what's offered by joining the MarineMax family.